Want to keep standby mode always active on your iPhone? This feature can turn your phone into a smart display when charging in landscape mode. However, it often turns off automatically due to settings that limit screen time to save battery. In this video, I'll show you how to keep standby mode on without it turning off. Let's dive in. First of all, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Standby. Toggle the standby switch to on. After that, turn on night mode. Now, remember that standby mode only works when your iPhone isn't landscape mode. So, place your iPhone sideways on a stand while charging, and it should show up, and in low light, it will switch to night mode and keep standby mode always on. Easy, right? By following these steps, you should now be able to keep standby mode always on iOS 18 or later. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. And if you want to see more awesome content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care and stay tuned.